Every festival has one or the other unique ritual, and the festival revolves around it. The same is the case with the festival of colors, Holi. Holika Dahan is based on the legend of Hiranyakashyap and Prahlad. Here is an NNI special as India celebrates the festival of colors. If you come across a temple in the vicinity, do check out the list of things lined up at the temple. What you will definitely find is the time of Holika Dahan. Over several generations, now this has come or become something that is considered a must for Holi revelers. Held on Choti Holi, on the eve of Holi, the legend relates to Holika Dahan, which is a story often told during childhood with the underlying theme of the victory of good over evil. Jagjit Chandar, a hexagenarian, has been living this story each year for over 6 decades.
मैं 60 साल से कर रहा हूँ जी। 60 साल हो गए मुझे करते करते जी। और 82 साल की उम्र है मेरी। क्या होता ये है, बहन बेटी आती हैं और हम लोग होली लगाते हैं। हर साल के साल बहन बेटी आती है, पूजा करती हैं और हम हर साल इसी तरीके से करते हैं।
It is believed that there lived a demon king, Hiranyakashyap, who wanted everyone in the kingdom to consider him as their god and worship him. Interestingly, his own son, Prahlad, failed to comply with his wishes. Prahlad became a follower of Lord Vishnu. Hiranyakashyap tried killing Prahlad several times, but each time the boy was saved by Lord Vishnu. The demon now used his sister Holika to get rid of the boy. In the fire, Holika was charred, while Prahlad, who chanted Lord Vishnu's name, came out without a scar.
मैं यहाँ पर 33 साल से आ रही हूँ पूजा करने। हम बड़ी होली से छोटी होली वाले दिन सब मिलकर पूजा करने आते हैं घर के, और यहाँ पे हम सुबह पूजा करते हैं, अगले दिन हम होली मनाते हैं। और आजकल हम हर्बल कलर यूज़ कर रहे हैं क्योंकि और कलर तो नुकसान करते हैं।
The victory of good over evil and the idea of undying faith. The Holi celebration is incomplete without the Holika Dahan. People usually collect logs of wood and twigs to donate to the common bonfire. Post Holika Dahan comes Dhuleti or Rangwali Holi, which sees people take part in the festival by smearing each other with colors and colored water.
40 साल से पूजा कर रहे हैं हम होली की। ये बेटे का त्यौहार होता है और खूब धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। हम व्रत भी रखते हैं और शाम को ध्यान होता है होली का, और अगले दिन खूब होली खेलते हैं। हर्बल का वो लेते हैं, कलर लगाते हैं, खूब होली मनाते हैं।
Powered by NNIS.